Welcome back, everyone. I hope everyone had a good Thanksgiving. I apologize for my voice. I think I'm getting over something from all the little kids running around my family. What we got here today is a 2020 Toyota Supra. The real reason why I wanted to do this video is I don't get the chance very often to apply a matte or satin clear coat. So this coat is factory. The color is specific to the Toyota Supra line, as well as the clear coat. It's got a matte finish. Only thing cooler than a matte wrap is when it's actually applied to the paint. So if you paint cars or you're just interested in this kind of stuff, then you probably already know how difficult that is. And that's the reason why I got the hood onto the car, is just so that once the color is blended out perfectly, that the sheen will match all the way through the panel. So I jammed the underside, had the tech throw it on. We ended up tearing down the doors. I didn't want to, but there's a good, I don't know, 18 inches that butt up to the door. So yeah, let's, we're all wiped down. I just got to get this thing blown off tacked, and let's get the camera going, booth fired up, and let's see how this goes. Welcome back, guys. We've got our base coat laid out on this Supra. The color's blended out. It looks really good, super clean. And now we're gonna make our way to the clear coat. This is where things can get a little tricky. The hard thing about this clear coat is you can't polish it when you're done, or else that would bring the gloss in. So if you can tell, that's my clear coat with the flattening agent in it. So the procedure, just like regular clear coat, we're gonna give it 2 coats. First coat not as heavy as the second, but the reason I have the hood buttoned up is so that I can just start on one side of this car, work my way to the other side, so that the clear coat mill thickness is even throughout the whole job. Thus should be creating an even clear coat job. I still need to tack this off. We'll get it blown off again, and then let's apply the clear coat. Fingers crossed. Well guys, the Toyota Supra's done. New paint coat I've never sprayed. Pretty unique to Toyota Supras, especially the clear coat. Reason I did this video. I apologize for any wind. I kind of have a little cold, so if you can't hear me, I guess that's on me. Real quick, if I could give you any pointers if you're doing one of these clear coat jobs, number one, cleanliness, super important. Number two, take your time. Consistency is super key when you're laying out this clear coat. Mill thickness is super key. You will see any modeling if you're laying it heavier, your overlap isn't correct. Yeah, it's a difficult paint job. This one happened to turn out beautiful. And thank you for tuning in, and I hope to catch you next video.